Hi everyone, it's Vivian Resnick and my sister Carolyn Christian. We're realtors with Dalton Wade Real Estate Group. We're here at our newest listing in Lake Ariana, Auburndale, and we'd like to share it with you. Let's take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to have your home listed and featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at vivianresnick.com. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can find my handles below or click the red button to subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.